wig lover, this is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and this is a review of the Kaia wig from Jon Renau, and this is in the color 32F. So this is the long, beautiful, 100% hand-tied version of the very popular Zara wig. This is exactly the same style as Zara. It just has a 100% hand-tied cap. So if you've always thought that Zara was very beautiful, this has basically just the same amount of hair. It's got a lot of hair density. It's got the exact same layering near the front of the face, and it's got the same layering down here at the bottom. The same very soft, straight hair texture, and yes, it even has the little bit of a bump it in the back. Really pretty wig. I'm not exactly super excited about it though, because it's a wig we've seen before. It's just with a slightly different cap construction. So let me go ahead and take this off so I can show you why this is different from Zara. It's because instead of just having the monofilament top and the lace front like Zara does, you're getting a 100% hand-tied cap. So that is the big difference. That is really the only crucial difference here. So has a 100% hand-tied lace front. There's a seam in between the lace front and the monofilament top. They're both hand-tied. This whole thing is hand-tied, it's just it's group knotted back here. So it is hand knotted in the back and sides with an extended felt nape. Velcro adjuster, same little spiel I say every time I show these off. Make sure you don't pull this too hard because you don't want to pull this Velcro underneath this mesh here because it's a real pain to try to get that out. We've also got felt here on the ear tabs with a little bit of metal to help keep the wig in place. I am kind of meh about hand-tied caps most of the time. I usually tend to prefer ones that just have the monofilament top and the lace front, especially in these longer styles, because the hair is generally going to cover all of the cap no matter how you move your hair. I was trying to shake my head a little bit when I did my 360 so you could see that this will give you very good coverage, but I mean, you get good coverage on Zara too. So really, to me, the biggest difference is, do you have a really sensitive scalp? Do you overheat a lot? Well, I would argue if you overheat a lot, you probably shouldn't get a synthetic wig this long because it's gonna trap heat like whoa. But if you really need something long and you want a cap that is very, very light, then this is an extremely light cap construction. The cap construction is very well done on these Jon Renau hand-tied wigs, and they're real sticklers for quality with their hand-tied products. So it's a beautiful wig. It's a very nice, classic, long style. This is an extremely popular style. It makes sense why they turned Zara into a hand-tied wig because it's probably one of the most popular wigs that they carry. It's just classic. It never goes out of style. Beautiful wig though. Beautiful, easygoing layering. This bit in the front is very flattering because it hits right below the jaw. Just beautiful style. So this is Kaia by Jon Renau, and the color has been 32F. Before I go, I want to show you this top because it's really pretty. It's very well done. And I mean, I intentionally kind of parted it sloppy on the right so you could see that it could be parted in any direction. And then there's that lace front. And this 32F, the blonde, is in the front. I'm Heather. I'm from CysterWigs.com. That's CysterWigs.com, bringing you lots of wig reviews, color spotlights, all kinds of stuff really. So if you like that sort of variety, make sure that you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our content. And until next time, have a great night, everybody. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.